Welcome members, in today's lesson today we are going to see how do you get the nth term of an AP if you are given the sum of those terms. But please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. In the previous lessons we have been seeing how you can manage all this, so this is lesson 4. Now, the formula if you are given the sum of an AP, if you want to get the nth term, this is the formula you use. You can't use this one, why? Because you are not given the first, you are not given the common difference. So the best way if you are given the sum is to use this. Like this example. The sum of n terms of an AP is finds the nth term, the first, the second, and the common difference, then the sum of the n terms. So from here, so we are not having a, we are not having this, so you can't use this one. The best way to use the formula we are going to use that orange, the nth term, un is given by Sn minus s minus 1. So these are substitutes. Now our Sn for it is given in the equation. From here is that our Sn is n squared minus 3n. Now to get Sn minus 1, for it is that where there is n, we substitute in this formula. So this will be now, where there is n, I'm going to put this n minus 1 squared minus 3 into, where there is n, I put n minus 1 in this formula. So when you expand this, we get then minus. So if you simplify this, you see you have n squared minus 5n then plus the 4. So this is the sum of Sn minus 1. So you put it here. So that my u and now which is will be now Sn for it is here. This is here. Opening brackets, you see we have this minus gets this to positive, and then this minus this, you get now minus 4. So it's like what we have, you see this n will vanish, then 3n plus 5n, we shall get 2n, then you see negative 4 will be surviving. So the formula for nth term is this. Now they want us to get the first, the second term, so we can use this one to get them. So the first term, n is 1, so u1 will be, so you put here 1, so 2 into 1 minus 4. This will give you negative 2. So the second term, u2, you have 2, where there is n, we put 2, minus 4, which will be 0. Then the fifth term, u5 will be now 2 into, where there is n, we put a 5 minus 4. This will be 10 minus this, which is 6, and so on. Now they want us to get the common difference. Our common difference already we said the previous term, so 2 consecutive terms. So u2 minus u1, which will be now u2 is 0 minus into negative 2. Our common difference is 2. Or if you want, you can use now u5 and you get u6, then you get u6 minus u5. But you can't use this and this. Why? They are not consecutive. So you can't use this and this. Or you can use the same one. The first term comes after, the second term comes after the first term. So you can subtract like that. So this is our common difference. Then number 3, they are asking us to get the sum of n terms. Now here I have two alternatives. You can use this formula because we are given the sum of those terms is this, so you can say our Sn, so terms are 10, is given that because our Sn was given by n squared minus 3n from here. So now n term, that's the first 10 terms, so n is 10 into now 10 squared minus 3 into 10. This will be 100 minus 30, which will give you 70. Or you can use, because here you have our first term, which is a, we have also the common difference. You can use the other one of Sn n over 2 into D. So that our n, this will be now 5. 10 divided by this will be 5 into 2. Now our first term here is negative 3, so it's negative 4. Plus n minus 1. So 10 minus 1, that's 9. Our n is 2, so 9 times 2 we get 18. And when you simplify this will be having 14 times, this will be 14 times 5. If you get your 14 times your 5, so this is 0, you carry it 2, you'll be having still 70. So it's up to you. Either use this or use this, but I think this one is better. So members, please try out this one for you. I wish you the best. Don't forget to subscribe and wait for another lesson about epics.